is that you're holding? What is this?
Let's go inside.
Okay. So guys, we have just met. Like I told you earlier, काफी दिनों बाद I'm stepping out of the house, and since I was on isolation, so I missed my first wedding anniversary. So my husband told Guddu to just give me this little surprise for dinner, and that's why we met. So and this is all the gifts जो मेरे husband ने मुझे भेजा है courier करके कुवैत से. So देखते हैं और फिर अंदर चलते हैं dinner करने के लिए.
Yes, nevertheless, she was in isolation, but still, we are celebrating.
Yes.
Yes, today we'll have a grand celebration.
Yes, we'll have a great time. Wow.
This is
Joggers, I think. Yeah, that's the joggers that she sent me. Don't open full, it's okay.
It's okay?
Anyway, we have to leave. Yeah, that's beautiful. I like it. And those are the shoes. So pretty. Nice.
beautiful.
I loved it. Loved it. ठीक है, we'll see you later around. And that's from Guddu. Oh, thank you so much, Guddu. It's beautiful. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Is that you're holding? What is this?
Let's go inside.
Okay.
अभी पहले केक देखते हैं. हाँ.
So everyone, we have reached our favorite lounge, and now Guddu is going to open the cake. That was a surprise. Thank you so much, Guddu. And thank you, Gaurav, for planning the surprise for me. Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Love you. Thank you. Hey, come here. ये
बहुत
सब
पहले
कब
से.
हुआ?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
I've been planning this with Gaurav for a long time now.
Oh my god.
Yes. And we were supposed to meet on 31st.
Huh.
31st, before that only we have ordered this cake. So then we were thinking, yes, 31st we'll meet for sure. But
Huh.
of course, yes, we couldn't.
Huh.
But nevertheless, we'll enjoy it today.
Yes.
This
Oh my
beautiful
god.
cake and celebration, anniversary celebration.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Hey, Prachu. I hope you like the surprise.
I totally loved it. Thank you, Guddu. Thank you so much for planning this out with Gaurav. And what should I say? I'm really emotional. This is our first anniversary, and you being my best friend, you took all the effort to plan this with Gaurav. So thank you so much. And Gaurav, baby, happy first wedding anniversary to both of us. And I hope we both meet soon. Thank you for this little surprise. Love you.
Yes, we all hope that you'll meet soon. And I'm glad that you like the little surprise we could give you.
Thank you so much.
See you.
Yeah, yes, I know. I miss you too. Bibi, thank you so much for planning this little surprise with Guddu. I didn't know. Yeah, love you also. Love you so much. And happy first wedding anniversary. I really hope we get to meet soon. Thank you so much, baby. Yeah. Okay, you rest now. Bye. Love you.
फ्लावर और केक करते हो सेम ही चीज़ हो जाएगा. मुझे पिक्चर करना है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, पिक्चर करते हैं. Then we don't.
Cheers. To my and Gaurav's first wedding anniversary.
Yes.
And thank you for planning this, Guddu. Thank you.
Lovely anniversary to the beautiful couple.
Thank you. Let's try. So guys, we are having a pina colada. It's rum-based cocktail. Really nice.
Yes, it's really good.
Yeah. I think it's first time कि after marriage I and Gaurav have to be apart because of the lockdown obviously, and he's based in Kuwait. I am here, and now हमारी 1 साल भी हो गई, first anniversary भी हो गई, and we are celebrating like away from each other. What to do?
But of course, even when you are celebrating, you are reliving the memories. That
Yeah.
is indeed something I would like to appreciate you on.
Yes, thank you, Guddu. Right.
And the grilled halloumi is here. That's one of our favorite appetizers, right, Guddu?
Yes.
Deep fried calamaris are also here.
Ginger, thank you for coming. Thank you for joining our table. Hi, Ginger. Ginger. So our food is here. Gudu, what say? Let's dig in?
Yes.
Perfect, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now let me arrange this cake for Prachu. So Prachu will cut the cake on behalf of Gaurav also.
Yay.
Don't touch your and Gaurav's face.
Okay, fine.
It's your anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm also saying thank
Thank you.
It was my anniversary also. But no, but
Thank you so much, Chandra.
I have completed a lot of years, but Prachu?
Yes, cutting the cake now.
Yes. I'm waiting to have the cake also. It looks really, really delectable.
I'm sure you selected you and Gogo.
Happy anniversary! Yeah! Yay!
Happy anniversary to me and Gaurav. Gudu, let's have the cake.
Yes, waiting to have it.
Yum! Can't wait to have the cake.